we're super up close and personal right now. So today's video, we are gonna cook. So one of my goals for February is to cook a new recipe once a week. So today we are gonna be cooking pizza homemade. I was gonna do the whole shebang and, you know, like make the dough and everything, but then you have to let it rise for like 8 hours or something like that. And well, I just don't want to do that. So I just bought store-bought dough, which is like back there. Maybe you can see it. So let's get to cooking. Get it situated. My lovely apron that my friend Caitlin got me all the way from Italy herself. What a doll. All right. Let's get cooking. Okay, first things first that you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 500 degrees. So first things first, we're gonna be going over what you need. And obviously, we need pizza dough. Duh. We need some all-purpose flour, mozzarella cheese, pasta sauce, olive oil, a little brush, whatever toppings you want. So personally, I'm gonna use salami and olives. I do have a little secret that I put on all my pizzas that I will show you at the end, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so I cut up my olives. Let's open up this dough. Oh, it's like slimy. Okay, so first thing you want to do is sprinkle some flour down on a clean countertop. I shouldn't have to say that, but you never know. Now I'm going to take this dough, which is like disgustingly slimy because it was frozen. A little bit more flour and not have it so slimy. Okay, no more flour. We're fine. We're a noob in the kitchen here, okay? I read and watched that you actually don't want to use a rolling pin. You wanna use your fingers and push out the way you want it. Lift it up, you can stretch it.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza. Okay.
Oh my God, I feel like so Italian right now, honestly. Okay, enough goofing around, Alyssa. Really want to stretch it out some more, you feel me? Making a pizza here. Not making no baby pizza. It's gonna take a hot minute, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now when the dough is all rolled out to how you want it, you're gonna brush the crust with some olive oil. This apparently makes it nice and crispy. So we're just gonna do that. So I'm gonna transfer it onto my little pizza thing. Now we're gonna use the, okay, pizza sauce. I want to make sure nothing's too thick. Oh no, don't get on my crust. So good. Next, we're gonna take some mozzarella. We're gonna cheese this bad boy up. I haven't even had one glass of wine and I'm already like a freaking nutso. A little bit for myself because don't be rude to yourself like that. Add the salami, which reminds me of Brooklyn pepperoni, which is my favorite thing of life to get on my pizza from Domino's. If you haven't tried it, thank me later. Now we're gonna add the olives. Look how simple this was. And then you're gonna pop this in the oven for I guess like 15-ish minutes, depending on how well done or lightly done you like it, and just like wait until it gets all golden and bubbles. And I'll see you when it's out of the oven, and that's when I'll give you my little secret on how to really take your pizza to the next level, okay? Okay. Look at that. So good. So I'm just gonna put it there for now. I don't have a pizza cutter, so I'm just gonna use this knife. Don't ask me why I don't have one, because I actually can't even answer that question, so. Okay, so what my secret ingredient is that I add to the end of all my pizzas is this Frank's Red Hot Original Seasoning. It's game changing. You sprinkle it on. And like, honestly, it's just so good. I literally put this stuff on everything. I'm not even joking. I got this at Costco. You need it in your life. Okay, moment of truth. Wow, I am so good. The one thing I will say next time is I'm gonna put the dough a little bit thinner than what I did this time. I just found it a little bit difficult, but you live and you learn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this new series I'm gonna be doing. If you have any other recipes that you want me to try, leave it down below in the description box. I'm thinking empanadas next time because I made those in the summer. Not to toot my own horn, but like, they were good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media. It's linked down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.